You've heard of the World Bank, the IMF, and the WTO, but most people have no idea what they actually do. For example, the World Bank is not a bank, it's a global investment fund, but with a mission. And join us for more global analysis at culturalperspective.com. So, the World Bank borrows cheap money from wealthy companies and it lends it to developing ones for roads, schools, and hospitals, big projects. For example, in Bangladesh, it built 2,000 kilometers of roads. Poverty dropped 20% in those areas. In Rwanda, after the genocide, it rebuilt healthcare. Now, 98% of Rwandans have health insurance. But the World Bank doesn't just hand out cash, it also sends experts, engineers, policy teams, education planners. They help design the programs countries need and track the data. They make sure the money works. So, why do rich countries do this? It's not charity. They get access, new markets, and new consumers. And a bigger global economy helps everyone. So this sounds like a cooperative win-win situation. But these loans come with strings. If a nation wants money, it has to open its markets, privatize state-owned companies, cut subsidies, and a host of other conditions. Critics call it economic colonialism. They say it forces poor countries to play by Western rules, that it's not about generosity, it's about leverage. Supporters say it's about accountability, that it stops corruption and waste, and that it protects investment and ensures results. Reality. This debate is about money and control. Developing countries need money, and rich nations want control. And that's in part why China's Belt and Road is gaining traction. Fewer strings, but higher interest. And that's the trade off. World Bank, low interest with lots of rules. China, fewer rules, but higher interest. It's not an easy choice, but it is still a better choice than what the world used to offer. Because before the World Bank existed, development came through colonizers. And that development meant roads to mines and railroads to ports, not schools, not hospitals, and not clean water. The World Bank is not perfect, but it is better than what was before.